He cute. He real cute. He could do this in his sleep, I swear to God. Oh, look at him. Look at him singing along, getting into it. This is so cute. Hey everybody, I am here to do another reaction to SHINee, specifically ONEW and TAEMIN. This is Rainy Blue. This was suggested to me several times after I watched ONEW sing Nessun Dorma, which was phenomenal. This was suggested a lot in the comments of that video. So I'm scared. I'm really, really scared because this seems like it's gonna be like very dramatic and really show off the vocal cords that are just so perfect. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hold on, is this a Tokyo Dome one? Because I was specifically told I should watch that one. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Right? Tokyo Dome? Yeah, it says Tokyo Dome. I don't know if it matters. Okay, no, that's it. Okay, so I did have the right one, but this one is in HD, so we'll go with this one. So we'll start again from the beginning. Here we go. Ah, yes, I can see them much better in this one. Getting himself ready. He has really nice hands. He cute. He real cute. I like his jacket. He could do this in his sleep, I swear to God. Same. I'm trying to breathe too. His voice is just so, like, crisp and, like, clear. and smooth. Like, hmm. Oh, look at him. Look at him singing along, getting into it. This is so cute. Did he just cry? What the shit? Why is he crying? No, don't cry. Why? Why? No, 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 no. Too many feelings. Too many feelings. What is this? I'm under the impression. Oh my God. I cannot with people crying. Okay. I'm under the impression this is not a SHINee song. Why are you crying? Don't hug. That's a deep V. Are they in Japan? Oh, duh, Tokyo Dome. I searched for that. Lord have mercy. He just wiped my brain clean. Okay, so I'm under the impression that is not a SHINee song. I'm gonna have to look up what this song is from. Is it from like a drama? Is it just one of those songs that's like a very important song to them, to Korea, to Japan? I don't know. Wow, well that was beautiful, like I knew it would be. That's gonna go on my playlist because that's a really good song. All right, thank you very much to the person who suggested this, or the people that suggested this, and I will see you next time. Bye.